Hey y'all, welcome back. Tonight we have a quick video on making a little either locker decor or outside of locker for notes to just say hey, hopefully for encouragement. But I'm going to use, tonight I'm going to use this little Dollar Tree dry erase board, and we'll see how it goes. I just had this idea and I thought, well, we'll see what we get. So I'm going to leave that sealed for right now. I have a design pre-cut. It was a design in Design Space. And how many times can we say design in one sentence, right? So I did unlock it and change the kind of layout of it slightly, because I've been informed that this would actually fit better on this particular person's locker. So if I go vertically rather than horizontally, so we'll go with that. And I have used Cricut, or, well, I think I've used my Amazon smart vinyl that I cannot get anymore. So we'll see what we get here. I'm going to quickly weed it out, though, and get this ready to apply. It's weeding pretty good. So you all see the design as it comes here. Just kind of wanted to make something nice and inspiring, and this can either be placed inside the locker for that person, or maybe they put it on the outside and everybody can be reminded to be awesome. So I'm just going to get rid of our little middles here of our letters, and you probably hear my air conditioner running in the background. It is hot and steamy, so it is running right now. I think it's cooled down considerably, but it was toasty. We'll get rid of these. What a cute little design. I really liked this. I used actually another little design from this person's little upload that they had created, and for a bag for me. But as I mentioned in a previous video, it is one that took a little bit for that transfer to take, so I haven't quite shared that upload yet. I need to get that footage cleaned up and get it ready for you all. Might take out a little bit of it because it did take me a little bit to get it transferred, and so not everything just goes peachy keen right off the bat. You gotta know that. So normally I clean everything with alcohol. This has been sealed up, and I'm just going to go with this one. So, all right. And I did, when I cut this, it wasn't the whole span of my smart vinyl. So I kept that, because even though this is smart vinyl, I can use that later on a mat with my Cricut Joy or my Cricut Maker 3. And I don't like to waste anything, to be quite honest. So I've been thinking about getting one of those magnetic mats to kind of hold things in place when I am trying to transfer it, because sometimes you can see it's kind of curved up. It does make it a little hard to get it on there. That's why you'll see me sometimes actually lay it face down on my transfer tape. And I'm using some of the last that I have here of the Paper Studio transfer tape, and I like it. It was just hard to get that liner to go. So I like that it lays flat too. Typically when you are gonna put it, actually put it to work here. So I'm gonna go ahead, since I've got it on its face here, go ahead and burnish the back. And then I'm going to burnish the front. I'm gonna do that with the felt edge. See how I like that tonight. Always looking to see if I can kind of improve just a little bit. I'm going to make me a little tear tab here so I can get it back off without scratching that whiteboard, hopefully. We'll see. See what we get here. So I'm going to, I don't know that I've used the combination of this vinyl and transfer tape in quite some time, but in the spirit of using up all the things I'm going to try to see if I can make a go of this. If I can't, I've kind of gone too far now, so we'll see what happens. And tonight I'm kind of doing this as I go and not doing a voiceover on this video because I just wanted to be able to upload this one and go with it. Which do you all prefer? Do you all like the as you go kind of thing, or do you like the voiceover on the video? Let me know. I know some people like hearing the actual crafting sounds. Some people don't. It depends on the situation. For me, I like to watch crafting videos too, so I'm just going to finish up getting this one transferred here. So, hold on one moment. Okay, just finishing this one up here. And if you flex that pretty hard, it will usually come off of there pretty good. I try to, when I'm using the Smart Vinyl, use the heavier grip transfer tape from Cricut. But, like I said, I'm just trying to use up all the things. So, I'm going to kind of flex this here in the middle. That looks pretty good. Smooth it out with my hand here. And I don't want to be too harsh with this little board. So, get that transferred here. And there we go. There you are. So, hopefully that inspired you. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up if you like this craft. So, have a great evening.